We have seen the videos, we've heard the stories, and today, Democratic Congressman Jason Crow introduced a bill to hold police accountable when force is used.
Denver 7's CB Cotton takes a deeper look at the plan.
Okay, let's stop. Come on, come on. Stop. I have a right to stop you because you're being suspicious.
2 Colorado arrests separated by just over a year and joined together by the national spotlight they put on the state.
We shouldn't be surprised by things continuing to happen unless we do something to change it. Things will continue to happen unless you correct course and you change policies.
Democratic U.S. Representative Jason Crow says he's fighting to do just that by introducing the Use of Force Accountability Act. Filed on Friday, the bill would require states to have a law mandating independent investigations after any use of force that results in death or injury.
If you're a lawyer, you're a doctor, you're a nurse, you're accountable to review boards and regulatory agencies. We know in every other aspect of American life and almost any other job and profession that independent review increases accountability and gets you better outcomes. And policing is no different.
Specifics of the bill also mean states that don't comply with establishing a form of independent review would have their federal grant money through the Department of Justice withheld.
So in this case, it's the COPS grants and the JAG funding. And if departments and states want to continue to receive that funding, then they have to implement laws and a process to conduct internal reviews or independent reviews, which are then referred to their internal affairs departments.
The independent review of an officer's actions could come from another law enforcement agency, a citizen panel, a state attorney general, or local prosecutors.
The system right now as designed means that most departments police themselves. And that's not bringing us very good results.
Here in Colorado, Denver has its own citizen oversight board, and in Aurora, the Community Police Task Force just last month recommended to City Council that an independent citizens oversight office with subpoena power be established. Meanwhile, Crow believes more progress needs to happen statewide and across the nation.
We have to look at every element of the reform that's needed and push it as hard as we can.
Representative Jason Crow says he was in touch with Elijah McClain's mother while crafting the bill. He also says he has the support of the Aurora NAACP. We reached out to several unions and associations that represent law enforcement officers, both statewide and nationally. None were able to provide comment. CB Cotton, Denver 7.